There were even talks of transitionary government, no, na si RSA pa nga. Di ba? Nakakatawa.
Saan galing yun?
Oo nga, saan galing yan? Tsaka bakit si RSA? Pero yun nga yung sinasabi, no, parang nawala na sila, ang mga taong bayan daw, nawala na ng kumpiyansa kay President Marcos, kay Vice President Sara, kaya naisip si RSA, pero ayaw rin kasi nila ng military junta. Yung mga ganyan na mga malilikot na utak, should we even entertain, should we even consider it?
Bilang Pilipino, this is by the way, this is my personal view and coming from my lens, yung mga ganyang usap-usapin, hindi na binibigyan ng any weight yan. Dahil the system is flawed. The system clearly has holes. But it is the best and only system we have. So we must work within it. Kaya nga ang talagang prevailing sa loobin ng taong bayan ay hindi naman government reset. Walang sumisigaw nun. Walang sumisigaw ng palitan lahat. Walang, if ever, konti lang.
Ilan lang.
Sa rally, ang maririnig mo, napakasimple. Ikulong na yan, mga kurakot.
Correct.
So, sir,
That one sentence summarizes the feelings and the hearts, minds, and thoughts of the Filipinos.
Sir,
Yun lang ang talagang gusto makita ng Pinoy.
according to the political succession, di ba, pag nawala ang presidente, vice president, and then followed by the Senate president, and is it possible na wala pong sumisigaw na mag-resign ka na dahil walang nakikita yung tao na dapat pumalit sa presidente ngayon? And in your opinion po, a follow-up question on that, among all the choices or the options, legally or maybe from your own personal perspective, who will be the best to take over just in case nga na may ganon na sentimiento?
So I didn't know that when I would guess today, I would be interrogated by the, parang ako ina-interrogate dito.
Sabi po kasi ni Pat, pinapakataba na utak ninyo. So I think
Buti nga yung utak mo yung mataba, hindi ikaw.
You're the best question to ask. Ito pong medyo mga...
Ano lang, hypothetical lang. Hypothetical lang.
Kasi sabi po mismo ni Sir, di ba, na parang wala namang call talaga for anybody to resign. Is it possible that walang call for resignation for anyone in particular? Kasi wala naman silang choice na gustong ipalit. Or dapat po ba may maghanda na sila yung papalit?
Wow.
So, Ma'am Ricky, you're way too young to remember this. Hindi ka ka-generation namin ni Ma'am Pat. Joke lang. But again, very, very nice that you brought up PGMA earlier in the show, no? Kasi naalala ninyo, the same thing happened with PGMA. Then President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Yung kanyang administrasyon was on wobbly legs.
Yes.
There was a time, halos buwan-buwan may coup attempt. Pero natapos niya ang kanyang term. And by the way, nag 9 years siya.
Pa siya. 1.5 terms.
So that was an outlier. Because at that time, the prevailing thought was, okay, and by the way, I'm not saying this categorically. I'm saying this as a reflection of the sentiment at that time. Kasi baka ma-splice tong video ko, ma-misinterpret. At that time, the prevailing thought was, okay, corrupt si GMA, si First Gentleman, sangkot pa, lumabas pa yung isang very close congressman niya na sinabing her personality is not palatable. I'm being very politically correct. Pero ang huling thought doon parati is, pero sino papalit?
Sino papalit? So wala talaga, no? Wala pa. Tapusin na lang.
Survive. Kaya nila survive. So the same phenomenon might be happening now. Obviously, one faction of the political spectrum is very, very keen on replacing the current president with the sitting vice president, as is constitutionally guaranteed. Pero mukhang hindi yun universally or widely accepted.
Correct. Divisive pa rin, no, pagdating sa ganon. Maski na supposedly unit team sila, at the end, talagang, wala, nagkanya-kanya talaga. So, hati.